going on, everybody? It's Tron back here, part 2 of the Venture rebuild. Got the parts in, and show you here real quick. And then we're gonna go out there, and then hopefully, I don't know if I'll have time to get it all done today, but I can at least maybe get the piston on and put the jug back in, and then see what happens from there. So here's the head. Got the new head right there. That looks pretty legit. Yeah, it looks all good. And the jug looks nice. Nice, and the cross pattern's good. He kept it oiled, so that's pretty good. And the piston's good too. It's got the wrist pin in it as well, which is nice. Yeah, those bearings spin. But yeah. Anyways, get out there and start doing it. We need to take the wrist pin thing out, which is this guy, but can this lift up? Because this is in my way. Oh my gosh, please. Yeah, that's good. Get in there now. There we go. So that's what the wrist pin clip looks like. So now I should be able to slide. I do not want to lose this. The piston should slide off now. How do I get the other one off? What the hell? So I took the piston, I got it out. I need to take the other side, because for some reason, this side, it does come out. I guess I didn't need to, but it goes out both sides. It's kind of like tight. Maybe that's where it was rubbing on the side. Maybe, I don't know. But so have the old piston out. I guess we can use the same bearing. Like the bearing looks good, honestly. Like, probably just reuse that, keep that in there. But one thing that I'm not going to do on camera, because it's going to take a while, is I'm going to suck all the coolant out of the block and dry that up while the piston's off, because I can like get in there better. And then we will go from there. So this is the setup here. We just got a straw attached to the vacuum nozzle, and I'm just going to suck it up with the vacuum all day. Sucked it up like a straw. Is there any more in there? It's like bone dry, man. So I think the hardest part about this whole job in general is getting this piston in. So I prepared it. Make sure that the arrow, you can see that the arrow needs to go where the exhaust is. And then we know that this slides out like this, because it's easier to work in. Oh, and see, I gotta take the bearings out, because we're gonna reuse the bearings. Why not? They look fine. So again, this goes with the arrow, and then I gotta, I guess, hold this. Yeah, there it goes in. There, the new piston's in. That wasn't actually too bad. But now the hard part is going to be getting this little clippy clip back in. That's going to be the challenging part here. I used my hands. I was able to do it with my hands. Yeah, just like that. Let's go. That's in. The piston is in. The block is dry. That is amazing, man. Now we can take this out. We don't need this in there anymore. See, yeah, that's in. That's sweet, man. That is money, man. It's on right. That's just good, bro. So honestly, I think we're ready to put the jug back on. Except for the antifreeze between the gaskets. But the wipe, give that a good old wipe. Now we're going to attempt to get the jug back on. You know what? I think this is actually going to be the hardest part. Because these pins got to line up. The rings got to line up with these little, the pins in there so they don't move. Right? And then we have to slide that jug on. This is going to be hard, man. Oh man, this is gonna be a little challenging actually. I've never done this before. This is like my first time doing this, right? Oh my gosh. Let's go, man. No way, bro. No way, man. I just did that right now, man. This is what we're looking at right now. I have the piston in. We got the jug on. Everything's going good, man. So far. That's what I like to see, you know. But yeah, so I don't know what to do next. Like, I guess you just start putting it back together now because, like, you know, got the piston on, got the jug on. You know, she's ready to start, you know, I gotta get my wrenches and stuff and tighten down, you know, get the bolts back on here, but we're getting there. Progress is being made. Okay, so I wasn't actually recording. I'm already putting the, oh my gosh. That looks good there. I'm putting, as of now, the, what? Oh, I need the 1/4 inch jug. Great. Yeah, no big deal. There, now I'm recording. So, putting the jug bolts back on. Let me get this on here. Yeah, see it? When you're working on the good old sleds here, you know? It's fun working on the good old girls, you know? I just really hope this thing runs, man. Because if I dumped all this money and she don't run, you know, that's going to be a bummer, you know? But I have faith, man. These in the star pattern. They're pretty tight. Those are tight, man. Torqued to the spec. There we go. Okay, so that's good. I think the next thing we want to do is clean up the cylinders, like all this antifreeze, and clean up the gaskets, and then slap the head on, honestly, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, no, that's really clean. That is about as clean as it's gonna get, you know? So I'll slide the head on. Yeah, that's money, boys. That is money right there. You know what? I got to do some research. I have to see the pattern that these tighten down, like this, whatever, however that goes. You have to do that. And then, yeah, so I'm going to do some research real quick and see what's up. So I did my research online and I found the pattern, how you tighten them, have them tighten down. What is that noise? So yeah, this looks pretty good. Like something like this, we can already put back on. I remember that went on just like that. And the little clamp. It's like, boom, that's already on. I guess there's a switch here or something. This thing? Yeah. So that can go back on too, you know? The switch on and the good old hose can go on. So pretty much just a manifold. And then this thing is closer to running every second here, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna have to fill it with some antifreeze. You know, get the jugs and cylinder full. Oh, come on, Bets. I have to get that with these. Anyways, I'm gonna put the phone down, probably get the spark plugs in, and then we'll go from there. Nothing like putting the good old spark plugs back in, eh? You know, this socket is deep enough. Oh yeah. There we go. Spark plugs in, man. She's starting to look like an engine again, honestly. So I gotta take the ones out of this one. Put those in too. Those ones going. Oh, let's do some. Tight. 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 And tight. So now we can get the good old plugs, make sure they go on nice. See, I'm debating if I keep going tonight. It's getting late and pretty tired. I got most of it back together though. Engine's on, you know. Really, it just needs a whole bunch of coolant. And I still need to get another bolt for the manifold here. I'm gonna find one. So I think I'm gonna do tonight, I think I'm just gonna do some prep work. Maybe clean the bottom there a little bit. Just clean it up and find a bolt, and then maybe tomorrow I will get the rest of it and then fire it up hopefully, and she runs. So all right, so just before I head in tonight, a little bit of prep work. You can't really tell, but underneath it's all clean. It's all clean in there. I got kind of the head, manifold back on. I'm still missing 2 bolts. I got to get 2 of those. Well, I have one, but I didn't put one in yet because I'm like seeing if I have another one identical. And so, but that's it for tonight. And tomorrow I will get some gas and then we'll put the coolant in and finish up the exhaust. And yeah, and hopefully tomorrow she runs. So I just finished my shift. I got the gas. If you can see the gas back there, I got that. Got the gas. And I picked up the bolts. But I need in a washer there. It's always good to have more washers. But I got the thread right, so it's a little shorter, but it doesn't really matter. It'll still go into the jug just fine. But yeah, so we're gonna go home now and we're gonna start up the venture. So I put the pipe back on. This is my commentary. Got Lyndon over there. Doesn't want to be in the camera.
I don't need it.
But anyways, we got the pipe back on. Just putting some antifreeze now in here and then fill it up with gas. And then I'm telling you right now, 15 pulls and she's going to start. Carburetors just need to get, the jets need to get a little primed. Boom, buddy. Hopefully it doesn't lock up on us, you know, when she starts, because it will start. Anyways, just waiting for Kai to get the antifreeze, because like full choke.
He's recording.
Holy shit.
Oh.
Here. What's the time?
29 seconds.
No, like the actual time?
Oh, I don't know. I can't see right now.
Here, let me eat them. I actually need to know the time.
I can if you want.
Oh, yeah, I should gonna start 3 pulls. Like, shut up. Oh. Wait. No. Oh my. Oh, God. Let's go, boys.
I was the one that actually started that.
Mom, be quiet. You don't know what you're talking about. God. So to make sure she's not pissing anti-seize out of the gasket. Dry as a bone. Dry as a bone. First engine rebuild. Watch her blow up now. That's good. Oh, yeah. Here, do you want that? You want the lift off? Uh-oh. Here, you want me to spin the trap? Let it idle for a bit. Yeah, sounds good, dude. I know it's good. Sounds good. Drop a little bit.
Does it never idle?
Let it idle. Ours might be a little dirty. Yeah.
Lift it up with that jack stand, then you could just rev her.
Yeah, where is that thing? Oh no, it's good. But I think I need to really maybe give the good carb.
Lift it up with that jack stand thing.
You're going, I'll lift it up again and just start pinning it. Pull it off to the side here and get the jobs. It won't even idle. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh, here he comes. Film him coming down. What do we say? What's the vibe? Good. Yeah. Oh, slow her down there, boy. It's getting nice. That's idle, no choke. All right, so that's it, everybody, for the rebuild adventure. You know, I did a compression test. It has 125 in all 3 cylinders, and that was when it was hot. The problem is, I think it needs a carb clean, because when she idles, it's only idling on 2 cylinders, which the 2 were the ones that were good. So maybe that's the reason it actually blew up, because I did have the same carb problem last year when I started it. So I don't know, but that's not the biggest deal. The point is that it's rebuilt, it runs, and like if I open it up, like it will run, but it just doesn't idle. So but a carb clean's not the end of the world, you know. But honestly, it took a week to rebuild that. Like I took it apart last Friday. When did I get the parts? I got Monday this week. The parts came in on yesterday, Friday. Like I had it done in a week. Like I think that's pretty good for somebody like me who's never really done that before. I mean, it's not too hard to work on, you know, older snow machines. Like the engine's right there. It's pretty fun. It's pretty easy. And this video shows you how to do it really. And yeah, man, I'm just happy. It runs. I have a snow machine now. And yeah, I might make a video with the carb clean once I get to it there. But yeah, I don't know. But anyways, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.